Morning, party rockers.
Yeah, bottom.
It's the morning. It's the morning.
Damn.
Boys are awake.
What's up?
There's a wizard in these parts.
Wizard? I am the forest wizard.
Forest wizard.
Look at my enchanting realm of water and leaves and stupid stones and shit.
Cast a spell, wizard.
Waity woo, your balls are now concrete.
Everybody. Why does it look like Angie gets closer every time I pan? Fucking. Forest folk.
Oh my god, these are the things that appeared here. Remember? Yeah, we did.
What the fuck? What's up?
So, how you doing? How's it going?
Batman. Somebody got hungry with the trees, and they kind of like nibble on the sides. Double chunk chocolate tree.
Look at me, it wasn't me, man. I didn't take a chunk out of the tree. You know, I don't know chocolate. Yeah.
That almost got me. Oh shit.
Oh fuck, my shit's breaking.
Oh. Andrew, your sword's kind of looking a little short there.
No, I think it's an average size.
Ah. Now his dick is out. God damn it. His leg is broken, his dick is out. Come on.
Where your clothes at? Where your clothes at?
I just censor Andrew. Oh, look at that. The beast lives amongst these woods. Hey guys, we're walking in the woods and there's a Sasquatch here. There he is.
Such fast.
Get him. Fall.
Oh.
Sorry. I'm here with Roadside Grandpa.
Drink with Nick, cause Nick is our mate. And when we drink with Nick, he gets it down in 8, 7,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cause I think Coolsville sucks.
I see the TikToks of the people.
Damn.
They swirl the bottle and like it creates a vortex.
Burp-
and
give us
they
a
just
burp,
down
Nick.
That shit.
Wait, give me a Phil burp. Holy shit. We out here, boys. Whoa. What? No. We got the steak. The steak. The steak. Yeah. Yo, dude, this is crazy.
A mystical fairy, ha ha ha, hoo-wee. I found my wand in the woods. I squashed a little tiny fairy with my big huge fairy foot.
Shit's scary out here in the forest.
小时候好笑我。
冰淇淋。
Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah. And to think, none of us got fucked up.
Yeah, we're perfectly fine.
That's crazy, man. That's absolutely wild.
What are you looking at?
Nature.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get a photographer.
Fuck yeah. Oh. goddamn wine bottle in the way. Fuck yeah, dude. Fuck yeah. Holy shit. Yo, you good, Phil?
Oh,
wait. Shit.
I need to fill up my water bottle.
It's a good day. Pissed your pants.